Shalom, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's morning time here in Dar es Salaam. So, yes, if you're new here, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And yes, today we are going to do some yard work. So mostly the man in the family, the boys in the family, is going to help me with some yard work. Right now, I can show you that Joe is helping Jeremiah. Jeremiah, he's watering the garden. Say hi.
Hi.
He's watering the garden now, the trees. So he's dealing with the hose. So yes, today we're gonna be doing some yard work, and it's just been on our heart, my family's heart, to be more sustainable. Usually we will have somebody take care of the yard for us, but we've been super busy. We really can't depend on people here. Even if you try to put money in their pocket, it's still you can't depend on them. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys see how the yard is, and how the yard grown. Usually it doesn't look like this, but it looks like this now, and we have to take care of it. So yes, come journey with us, and I'm going to show you guys what we have to do today and what kind of tools that we're going to be using. So yes, come journey with us. Yeah, like I said before, uh, they're doing, they're watering all the trees. They're gonna be watering everything. You see Joe back there working, thinking that he's doing something. You see his leg up. So yes, we have the beautiful ladies right here, just looking beautiful. You say hi, baby G. What are you doing, mamas? Hi. Hi. You know you're on camera. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, so basically, I'm gonna show you guys what has to get done. So I don't know how this is possible, but this is sand. This is a whole pile of sand here. But you see grass growing inside this pile of sand. I don't know how grass be growing inside of sand, but it does. So a couple weeks ago, I had somebody clear most of this out. It was very grassy. I'm gonna take you over here to what we're gonna be doing today. Um, you see all this grass growing. It's been raining pretty consistent in the last couple weeks, so the grass has been growing. That's how you know this is fertile ground. If the grass grows, as you guys can see, you see rocks and stones, but grass is still growing. So that means that the ground is very fertile. So as you see, we're going to be tearing up all this grass here, getting all this grass up, clean up stuff that fell from the coconut tree here. The coconut tree, the leaves fall, so we're gonna have to be cleaning that up, putting that in a certain spot. All this grass is gonna have to get tore up. So basically, we're gonna be tearing this up so we can prepare for our garden. So yes, as you see, it is a lot of grass. Like, it just grows out of nowhere. It grows out of nowhere. Banana tree fell. That's okay. Oh, I can show you guys this. Let's go. There might be a snake. Go, please. This is something special. As you see, this wasn't here a couple weeks ago. This is a neem tree. So this is a baby neem tree. it probably got spread from our neem tree over there, and it just started growing. So really, if you drop a seed in the ground here in Dar es Salaam, um, more than likely it will grow if you take care of it. So yes, we have a lot to work to do. So I'm just gonna get started with this, and I will see you guys later. So guys, you see, I'm under a shade tree because it's very hot. Ants is biting people. But we cleared a lot. Like I said, I took a little break because our dada won't come out here and try to show me how it's done. So look at her. I have no problem with learning. So you can't leave without learning. So she came out here and grabbed it from me, and I'm like, okay, I let her do it. You know, I'm taking notes. I'm always taking notes. So it's nothing like I know everything at all. I don't know everything. So yeah, but I can show you what we cleared out real quick. Me and Jeremiah, we've been fundying. We've been working pretty hard. But yeah, this is basically what we cleared out. You see Jazz trying to be in the camera, but I'm just showing what we did. And we still have lots more to go, but it shouldn't be too hard. Certain spots is heavier than others, so like spots like this is a little lighter, so it will go a little quicker. But you know, the rest of the spots, it should go pretty quick. We've probably been out here maybe an hour, maybe 45 to an hour, so it hasn't been too long. You know, we've been doing good. I'm proud of Jeremiah. He'll have some words for you guys when he come back out. He went to go get some water. So yeah, Jazz is over here working too.
I am behind the camera right now, seeing what my husband and son are doing.
Whew. So guys, just finishing up. We didn't get the chance to finish all of it, but we got most of it done. I'll say good 80% of it done. I gotta start getting cleaned up because we're gonna head somewhere. But nice hard work, everybody left me. So I had to finish up a little bit, but we still probably got like say 20% left, and it's the easy stuff, so we can get that done maybe this evening, hopefully, or maybe casual, or tomorrow Sabui, maybe in the morning. So yeah, we just getting this ready to actually plant some herbs and some vegetables. So hopefully pretty soon, you know, we can definitely put some seeds in the ground. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment. Yeah, comment. Please comment. Because if you have a better way of doing this, please let me know. And I'm talking to Tanzanians. I know there's a better way. Trust me, I used to landscape. So I know it's a better way to do this. But here in Tanzania, things are different. How they do stuff is different. So whoever's watching this, that's in the comments, please let me know if there's an easier way to do it. Because that's like a couple hours, just me. I'll pat myself on the back. It was good hard work, nice and sweaty. I'm sweating. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell notifications so you will be notified when we upload, when we do lives. And yes, I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. So good day, guys.